Let's face it, some days in the workroom don't go well. The other day, as I was creating a video for this pillow technique, the pillow with a mitered corner flange, as I was shooting the video, I looked at the clock and I realized I wasn't where I was expecting to be at that time. And so I went against my advice that I share with you about having a wellness aspect of sewing, sewing slow so that we can keep the joy as we're sewing. I started rushing. And I went ahead and I kept sewing, and I didn't realize that I had messed something up until I had completed the project, turned it right side out, and I realized that one of my corners looked very bad. And there was no going back. So I realized that I needed to scrap everything, and I gave myself the grace to stop, and I decided that I would come back the next day and start over again. And as I was working the next day, I reminded myself that sew slowing always creates beautiful results. And taking the time when we're sewing allows us to keep the joy as we're sewing. And some projects like this technique, precision is necessary, and precision always takes time and patience to yield beautiful results. So what happened the next day is, as I was sewing slowly and enjoying the process, slowing down helped me create a beautiful project. And I also reminded myself that precision sewing, something like this pillow with a mitered corner flange, we need precision sewing so that we can make beautiful mitered corners. And precision sewing is not rushing sewing. That's when we make mistakes. So I also reminded myself that some sewing projects are more than just teaching techniques. Some sewing projects teach us about patience. And mitered corner flanges that is definitely an area where we need to be patient, and we need to sew slowly, and we need to enjoy the process. And I'm glad to be able to sit here and share this with you, because I think it's important for you to know, if you're learning new techniques, or even if you are a seasoned professional and you're doing something that maybe you haven't done in a while and you've made a mistake, I think it's good for you to understand that teachers make mistakes too. And I'm just going to show you this bad corner in this pillow. This is my mistake pillow. This is the pillow that didn't make it into the video, because not all of my corners turned out precise and crisp and clean like this one. I just decided I'd make a whole nother pillow. But it was a good lesson for me to be able to share with you. So when you are sewing in your workroom, I want you to remember the wellness aspect. If you're getting keyed up, if you're feeling stress, take a deep breath in and release it, and realize how much better you feel when you slow down. You give yourself the time to take some deep, cleansing, healing breaths. And then when you exhale, notice, don't you feel so much better? I hope so. And I hope that you'll take this with you when you're sewing maybe this technique that's in the new technique that's in the membership, or anytime you're sewing. Just enjoy the process and give yourself the grace to slow down. Be well, my friends. Bye bye.